Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check in on the Royal Air Maroc application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your home page, then scroll down and tap on the check-in button. After that, you should wait a few seconds till it loads. Then you should tap on the first button if you would like to use your reference number of your reservation. First of all, you should type in your surname. And then the number of reservation, and click on the identify button down below, and then you will be able to check in. If you choose the other option, which is the number of your ticket, you should also type in your family name and then your the number of the electronic ticket. And then click on the identify button, and you can also use the number of your membership card down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.